Hello, thank you for clicking on my video and welcome to my new YouTube channel. I have a question for you. What do you do when you have no idea what you want to do with your life and you have no direction whatsoever? Start a YouTube channel. So right now my life is pretty stagnant. I'm in a rut. I don't have much going on. I go to work, I go home, that's it. And the job that I have is just a job, nothing meaningful. So I've decided to step out of my comfort zone a bit, try and challenge myself to do things like trying new foods, going different places, just getting out of the house. And I've decided to document it. I've always wanted to do YouTube, and I'll talk about that at another time in another video. And you're probably wondering, I don't even know this girl. Why would I watch her videos? Let me tell you. This doesn't come from me, but I've been told multiple times from multiple people that I'm very hilarious and entertaining. So just follow along for the journey, or let's call it an adventure. Follow along for the adventure, my life in Fort Lauderdale, and me just doing things. This is what most of my videos are like, just trying to remember what I was gonna say.